If the non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal, prove that it is cyclic. What is the meaning of trapezium? Trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel and other two sides are non-parallel. A clear trapezium. That trapezium here you want to prove cyclic. How to prove a trapezium is cyclic quadrilateral? Cyclic means cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Otherwise, we can prove all the vertices lies on a circle, but it's very difficult to prove. All the vertices lies on a circle. Simply, we can prove here the sum of the opposite angles is equal to 180 degree. So, draw a trapezium. Draw a trapezium. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. No? A, B, C, D is a trapezium. So given A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Such that AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC, these two sides are parallel. AB parallel to DC, and एक और given a question में non-parallel sides are equal, means AD is equal to non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal. Non-parallel sides of a trapezium are equal. Here, what are the non-parallel sides? AD and BC, and these two sides are equal. That is given. Isosceles trapezium. It is also called isosceles. Sides are equal. Is called isosceles trapezium. That is given. AD is equal to BC is also given, or AB parallel to DC, that is also given. And to prove A, B, C, D, to prove A, B, C, D is cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. To prove A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral. Construction. Draw DM perpendicular to AB and CN perpendicular to AB. CN perpendicular to AB. Draw DM perpendicular to AB and CN perpendicular to AB. Construction. Now prove. Listen. To prove it is cyclic quadrilateral, you want to prove sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. The first step, you want to prove these two triangles congruent. So first proof. In triangle, proof. In triangle A, M, D and triangle B, N, C. Name the three parts which are equal with the region. Name the three parts which are equal with the region. AD equal to BC. Reason given. AD is equal to BC. Reason given. Second part, DM is equal to CN. Reason between the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines are always equal. Means if two lines are parallel, two lines are parallel, इन दोनों के बीच का डिस्टेंस इक्वल होगा. देखो ये डिस्टेंस और ये परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस इक्वल होगा. Perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines are always equal. Perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines are always equal. Look the next. Next, DM is equal to CN. Reason, perpendicular distance between two parallel lines are equal. Third part, angle AMD is equal to angle BNC. Reason is equal to 90 degree. Angle AMD is equal to angle BNC is equal to. So we can say these two triangles are congruent section. By which condition? These two triangles, yes, RHS. These two triangles are congruent by RHS. Therefore, triangle AMD congruent to triangle BNC by RHS congruence. If two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding parts are equal. So we can say angle A is equal to angle B. Angle B by CP CT implies angle A is equal to angle B by CP CT. This is equation 1. Clear as first you want to prove these two triangles, triangle AMD and triangle BNC, you have to prove congruent. By using RHS, we can prove these two triangles are congruent. By CPCD, we can say angle A is equal to angle B. That is equation 1. Next, listen. If two lines are parallel, given. Two lines are parallel. What is this? Transversal. And these two angles are called co-interior angles or interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Interior on the same side of the transversal are also called co-interior angles, and co-interior angles are supplementary 180 degree. इन दोनों का सम हमेशा क्या होगा 180. Same way देखो, this ADC and AB are parallel. So this angle or these two angles are called what? Co-interior angle. इन दोनों का सम कितना होगा 180 degree. लिख दो next. Angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Write in bracket co-interior angles. Co-interior angles are also called interior angles on the same side. Co-interior angles are supplementary. Angles are supplementary. Sum of the angle is 180 degree. अब देखो, what is the value of angle B? From equation 1. From equation 1, replace. So, value of B, angle A, plus equal to from. अब देखो एंगल ए और एंगल सी आर द opposite angle. दोनों का सम कितने? What is the sum of angle A and angle C? 180 degree. So we can say what? Cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. That is sum of the opposite angles of trapezium ABCD is 180 degree. So ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So to prove cyclic quadrilateral, you have to prove just sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. If the sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree, so it is a cyclic quadrilateral. It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? Cyclic quadrilateral that we can prove very easily. Clear? Next question. Prove that the quadrilateral formed by the internal angle bisectors of any quadrilateral is cyclic. Prove that the quadrilateral formed. So draw any quadrilateral of any shape. Okay? Any quadrilateral. A quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Any quadrilateral. So ABCD is a quadrilateral. No, ABCD is a quadrilateral. Now draw the internal angle bisectors. What is the meaning of angle bisector? The line that divide into two equal parts. Which angles? Internal angle. What are internal angles? A, B, C, D. So how many internal angle bisectors you want to draw? Four. A, B, C, D. Four angles. ठीक है? Four angles. ये सब मिलाकर क्या फॉर्म होगा एक क्वाड्रिलेटरल? देखो फिगर मत ड्रॉ करना. लिसन. First draw the internal bisector of angle A and draw the internal bisector of angle B. Draw the internal bisector of angle C and draw the internal bisector of angle D. बीच में क्या फॉर्म हो रहा है क्वाड्रिलेटरल? That you want to prove? Cyclic quadrilateral. This is cyclic quadrilateral. If cyclic quadrilateral prove करेंगे. हम प्रूव करने P Q R S is a cyclic quadrilateral. Let this angle be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let this angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 or angle 4. Let it go. Clear? Given. I don't given. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. Next line. AP, P, BP, CR and DR are the internal angle bisectors of angle A, angle B, comma, angle C and angle D respectively. Clear? Respectively. Clear? Next, proof. Listen. A is a triangle. In a triangle, sum of the all the angle is 180 degree. Sum of the all the angle is 180 degree. So in triangle A P, in triangle APB, in triangle APB is equal to, sorry, in triangle APB, sum of the all the angle is, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. Clear? Any doubt? Steps clear? Next. Now check the figure. What is AP? Bisector. Bisector of which angle? Angle A. इसका मतलब AP bisects angle A into two equal parts. Angle 1 is the one part. How to convert angle 1 in terms of angle half of AP is the bisector and 1 is the one part of the whole angle, है ना, whole angle. ये पूरा एंगल का एक पार्ट है ना एंगल 1. So how to convert angle 1 in terms of angle A? So half of angle A plus how to convert angle 2? Half of angle B plus angle P equal to 180 degree angle P as it is. Clear? Now reason, AP bisects angle A, BP bisects angle B. Reason. Clear? And this is equation 1. Equation 1. Up to this clear? Same way, the same reason again apply in triangle, the same property apply in triangle CR, in triangle CRD, in triangle. So in triangle CRD, angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle R equal to, reason, angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. How to convert angle 3? How to convert angle 3 in terms of angle C? Half of angle C plus half of angle D plus angle R equal to, reason, CR bisects angle C, DR bisects angle D. Angle D. Steps clear? Clear? Up to this, any doubt? Okay. This is equation 2. Equation 2. Now add equation 1 and equation 2. Add equation 1 and equation 2. So क्या हुआ? Half angle A plus half angle B plus P plus half angle C half angle D plus angle R equal to 180 plus 180. Left hand side add कर दो, left hand side add और right hand side भी add कर दो, दोनों equation का clear है? Clear? हाफ कॉमन ले सकते हैं, तो हाफ कॉमन ले तो इधर क्या होगा, हाफ एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी प्लस एंगल डी, बट पी में हाफ नहीं है तो बाहर लिख दो, प्लस एंगल पी प्लस एंगल आर इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री। क्लियर? अब चेक करो ध्यान से, एंगल ए प्लस एंगल बी प्लस एंगल सी प्लस एंगल डी 360 degree. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of in a quadrilateral sum of the all the angle is equal to 360 degree. The half into 360 plus angle P plus angle R is equal to 360. 2 cancel. Now 180 shift right hand side. So it becomes angle P plus angle R equal to 360 minus angle P plus angle R is equal to angle P or angle R. Which angle is? Opposite angle. The sum of the opposite angle is. So PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. इधर क्या reason क्या रहना चाहिए, इधर क्या reason है? Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. Angle sum property of quadrilateral है ना, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property of quadrilateral. So sum of the opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degree. So PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Last statement. Okay. Clear? Last statement. In a quadrilateral, PQRS sum of the opposite angle is 180 degree. Therefore, PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Next, question number 4. If a line intersects two concentric circles, what is the meaning of concentric circle? Two circles having same center but different radius. Radius different. And this line intersect the circle at A, B, C and D. Prove that AB is equal to CD. So draw the figure. Two concentric circles. Same center. Two concentric circle, same center. And a line segment intersect these two circles at 4 points A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. To prove AB is equal to CD. I don't given. Given. A line intersects two concentric circles. A line intersects two concentric circles at A, B, C and D. To prove AB is equal to CD. To prove AB is equal to CD. Construction. Draw OP perpendicular to AD. Draw OP perpendicular to AD. Now prove. Listen. First check the outer circle. In the case of outer circle, AD is called chord. AD is the chord. And OP perpendicular to AD. OP perpendicular to AD. OP perpendicular to AD. Is it? Now we can apply the theorem. Which theorem we can apply? Perpendicular from the center to the bisects the. So we can say implies AP is equal to DP. Or write in bracket theorem. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Equation 1. Perpendicular to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Equation 1. Next, OP again. In the case of, listen, in the case of smaller circle, what is BC? Chord. So OP perpendicular to BC. OP perpendicular to BC. I don't know. OP perpendicular to BC. Again, we can apply the same theorem. BP is equal to CP. BP is equal to CP. Reason? Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Clear? Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Now, to get answer, subtract equation 1 and 2. Next. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1. That is AP minus BP is equal to DP minus CP. दोनों इक्वेशन के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड माइनस कर लो. देखो AP माइनस BP, राइट हैंड साइड माइनस कर लो DP माइनस CP. क्लियर है? नाउ चेक द फिगर. AP minus BP, AP minus BP, AB. This implies AB equal to, now check the figure, DP minus CP, CD. So AB, CD. AB is equal to CD. Hence proved. Stuff clear? Clear? Read out. Question number 6. A circular park of radius 20 meter is situated 3 and David sitting at equal distance on his boundary, each having a toy telephone in his hand to talk to each other. Find the length of the string of each phone. Find the length of the string of each phone. Listen, the same question एग्जाम में दूसरा मेथड से भी आ सकता है, दूसरा फॉर्म में भी पूछ सकता हूँ. देखो कौन सा फॉर्म है, राइट ऑन और करके लिख देना, और सेम क्वेश्चन दूसरा एक और फॉर्म में लिख देना, सेम क्वेश्चन को एक और फॉर्म. लिसन, an equilateral triangle, an equilateral triangle, an equilateral triangle is, और करके लिख देना, और ठीक है, other form of the same question. An equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle of 20. An equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle of radius 20 meter. 20 meter. Find the length of the side of equilateral triangle. Find the length of the side of the equilateral triangle. So draw a circle. Mark the position of the three boys. One is Ankur, Said, and David. And the distance of all these are equal. The distance between Ankur and Said and David, and Ankur and David are equal. Are equal. So what type of triangle it is? All the sides are equal. Equal triangle. Second part. An equilateral triangle is inscribed in a circle of radius 20. So O is the center. O is the center of the circle. Listen here. Listen. What is OA? Radius. Radius is given 20 meter. What is OS? Radius. That is also given 20 meter. And O is called center of the circle, and that center is also called circumcenter. Circumcenter. Equilateral triangle is an acute angle triangle or right angle triangle. Acute angle triangle, because each angle is 60 degree, less than 90 degree. So it is an acute angle triangle. In the case of acute angle triangle, the center is always lies inside the triangle, and this center is inside the triangle. Clear? And in the case of equilateral triangle, but before this, listen. Suppose a triangle is given. ABC. Listen, very important point. ABC. Here, D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC. E is the midpoint of AC. F is the midpoint of AB. What is D here? midpoint of BC, E, midpoint of AC, and F, join AD is called median. The line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side at its midpoint is called median. Is called median. So AD is the median. AD is the median. Same way, what is BE? Median. And what is CF? And all this median passes through the same point. That is this point. This point is called centroid. Is called centroid. The meeting point of the median is called centroid. The meeting point of the altitudes is called orthocenter. Orthocenter. And the meeting point of perpendicular bisector is called circumcenter. इतना किया था कंस्ट्रक्शन भी किया ना circumcenter. Meeting point of the perpendicular bisector is called circumcenter. Meeting point of the altitudes is called orthocenter. And the meeting point of the median is called centroid. In the case of equilateral triangle, all these points meet at the same point. So this is O is called circumcenter. So in the case of equilateral triangle, this O is also called centroid. And it's also called orthocenter. Orthocenter. Only in the case of equilateral triangle. Only in the case of equilateral triangle. So what is O here? Centroid. One of the important property of centroid is centroid divide median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide median in the ratio 2:1 means this is the centroid. So this divided by AG divided by GD is equal to AG divided by GD is equal to 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by is centroid divide median in the ratio 2:1. Centroid divide median in the ratio 2:1. 2:1. Very important property. That property you want to apply here to solve this questions. This question we can solve by two methods. One is theorem 2 times, or second case, apply the Pythagoras theorem only one time. Clear? मैं ये मेथड अप्लाई कर क्लियर ठीक है सो फर्स्ट राइट O is the centroid. O is the centroid of triangle ASD. ASD. Triangle ASD. Next line. The centroid O divide median SP. The centroid O divide median SP in the ratio 2:1 implies AO divided by not AO median SP means OS upon OP. OS divided by OP is equal to 2 divided by 1. 2:1. Now substitute the value. What is the value of OS? What is the value of OS? 20. 20 divided by OP is equal to 2. 2 divided by 1, that is equal to 2. Now cross multiplication. 20 is equal to 2 into OP. 2 into OP. From this equation, what is the value of OP? 10 meter. 10 meter. So OP is equal to, clear? Clear? Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can AP. No, sorry, in triangle APU, in triangle APO, in triangle APO, AP square plus OP square is equal to OA square. AP square is plus, sorry, AP squared plus, what is all of OP? 10, OP is equal to 10 square, 10 square, 100 equal to OA 20, 20 square. Now shift 100 right hand side. AP square is equal to 400 minus 100. So AP square is equal to 300. AP is equal to under root 300. Under root 300. Now listen, AP is equal to under root. This is, listen, अंडर रूट 300 को 3 इंटू 100 लिख सकते, 100 का स्क्वायर रूट कितना है 10. सो आंसर इज 10 रूट 3 मीटर. बट दिस इज एपी. हमको क्या फाइंड करना क्वेश्चन में? लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल यू वांट टू फाइंड, है ना. लेंथ ऑफ द साइड ऑफ द इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल. अब चेक कर दो ओपी. सो वी कैन से व्हाट, एडी इज इक्वल टू 2AP लिख सकते हैं. AD is equal to 2AP. Theorem, perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Right on. OP perpendicular to AD implies AD is equal to 2AP. Right in bracket, perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Perpendicular from center to the chord bisects the chord. Listen, implies AD is equal to 2 into, what is AP? 10 root 3. AP is equal to 10 root 3. AP is equal to 10 root 3. So what is the value of AD? 20 root 3. So what is that distance? 20 root 3. SD 23, 20 root 3, or AD, that is length of the side of the equilateral triangle is equal to 20 root 3 meter. 20 length of the side of the equilateral triangle is equal to 20 root 3 meter. 20 root 3. Listen. An equilateral triangle of radius 40 meter is inscribed in a circle. What is the side of the equilateral triangle? आप direct answer लिख सकते हैं. What is the radius here? 40. So answer is 40 root 3. 40 root 3. Root 3 fix होगा. Root 3 fix. So 40 root 3. Equilateral triangle, ध्यान रखना, equilateral triangle. That is not possible in all triangle. In the case of equilateral triangle. In the case of equilateral triangle. So what is the radius? इसके साथ क्या multiply करना? Root 3. If radius is given 100, what is the side of the equilateral triangle? 100 root 3. If the radius is R, what is the side of the equilateral triangle? R root 3. If the side of the equilateral triangle is 50 root 3, what is the radius of the circle? 50 meter. Root 3 remove कर दो इसमें से. Clear? 50 meter. If the side of the equilateral triangle is 10 root 3, what is the radius? 10. रेडियस इज इक्वल टू क्लियर क्लियर। अगर एमसीक्यू में है तो डायरेक्ट आंसर लिख सकते हैं क्लियर। और हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन क्लियर। एनी डाउट?